My question today is, what is your life? You are a mist that appears for a little while and then vanishes. Hello, my name is Eddie. Life is short. Live for what lasts, eternal, and for God's glory. Have you ever thought about how short life is? James 4:14 says, "You are a mist that appears for a little while and then vanishes." Let's talk about how embracing the fleeting nature of life can help you focus on what truly matters. James compares life to a mist, something visible momentarily and then gone. It's a vivid reminder that life is fragile and temporarily. But while life is fleeting, what we do with it can leave an eternal impact. Remember, life is short, life is fragile, life is temporarily. Yet, so often, we live like we'll be here forever. We chase success, comfort, and fleeting achievement, forgetting that these things don't last. Craig Groeschel, a minister of the gospel, says, "What you believe about eternity determines how you live today." But here is the truth. Life is short, but purpose is eternal. Are you focused on what will matter forever? Life is fragile, but God is steady. Are you trusting Him with your plans? Life is unpredictable, but God's promises are sure. Are you aligning your life with His eternal will? James isn't trying to discourage us. He's challenging us to wake up, to live intentionally, to focus on what truly matters: relationships, faith, and God's glory. Life isn't just about length, it's about meaning. Today, take a moment to reflect. Ask yourself, am I living for what lasts? Surrender your plans to God and commit to pursuing His eternal purpose. Life is fleeting. Make it count. Tim Tebow, an American sportsman, once said, "You don't know how many days you have. Live a life that counts. Live a significant life. Life is short. Use every moment to honor God and leave an eternal legacy." Thank you, and God bless. I will see you soon with my next video.